Alright, a little bit of a bushcraft breakfast here. A couple of things. Pot. That's better. Check out the pot. You know, I'm gonna cook on the fire later, but for now, this is gonna be a bushcraft breakfast plus my personal alcohol stoves. So it's just a little titanium kettle, a little cozy I made. If you can invest in them, they last forever. I've had some since 2006. I think this one since 2008. It's been in many fires. I've cooked tons, cooked in this little bitty mug. It's not a big deal. So I have a couple of alcohol stoves hanging around. So this is one. This is all my grub. This big bag of grub. And so there's 2 alcohol stoves, pot, two pots, 3 if you consider the mug. So for today's star attraction, Spam. Bushcraft breakfast with Spam. Wait for it. Cheese grits in Spam, and this is not instant grits. These are the quick cook, and my favorite upstate New York extra sharp white cheddar for the cheese grits. Spam, cheese grits, alcohol stove. Let's see. Alcohol. It's just a little denatured. Already started. Got you guys. Perfect. So I used this stove on the Pacific Crest Trail the whole 6 months. Speaking bugs, I think that was a yellow jacket. Whole 6 months. I did replace the bottom. This is just a Vienna sausage tin bottom. They seem to work perfect, and they're aluminum. This is an Axe can of travel size. It's just holes around it, open on the inside. Super simple. This I use the whole Pacific Crest Trail, but it is a little tippy, and that is a little bit of a pain. So we'll get this going. Just like that. Like I said, it's tippy. Perfect. Let's go get a little alcohol going on. wouldn't call this a perfect alcohol stove, but I definitely have lived with it day in and day out, and it wasn't a problem. So trusty fire steel. Got a nice edge on the back of the Mora. This one's got a few miles on it. There we go. 2 strikes. Ah. Getting hot. Alright, so that's going to get started. Perfect. Keep my eye on that. Second alcohol stove. This one's pretty awesome. Custom made also. A little different design. I just put it in a bag inside of a sandwich bag to protect things. And this is good fire starting material. So titanium windscreen with little paper clips and kind of a penny stove, I guess you could call it. And I do have a penny. So this guy's there. You guys can see this. A little triangle of titanium. I found a piece of titanium in an old outdoor store from an Alpine set. Maybe it was a hanging set of some kind. But it turned out part of it was missing. So I got it for like $10, a nice piece of titanium, which is totally worth it to me. So I just cracked the top of the soda bottle for fuel. It usually works pretty well. Alright, so this is let's see where I got you guys. Alright. So, moment of truth. Span time. Blob o spam. Already. Doesn't look it, but it's a little chilly. Haha, bushcraft breakfast, alcohol stove style, and we'll definitely be doing it with a campfire and stuff like that. But you know, I'm hungry. It's breakfast time. So out of the two stoves, this guy's much more efficient. This guy's much less efficient. But, like I said, I can definitely live with that one. And cheers. Oh, there she is. Last of the spam's cooking up. Little titanium bowl. I poked a couple of holes in it. That's just a piece of clothes hanger. A little alcohol stove. Cheese grits are ready and tasty. Perfect. Gonna be eating them in just a second. First, water going for coffee. Gonna knock the camera over. Let's check it out a little bit. Oh yeah. That is a load of food right there. It's heavy. Yeah, this is definitely not bad.